won't believe some of these crazy apps actually exist.
Let's talk about that. Good. Mythical. Morning.
Okay, now, if your phone is smart, then you're smart enough to know that there's an app for everything. That's what we're being taught these days.
Yeah, that's what the kids...
No matter what it is you need or want, your phone should be smart enough to do it. What I've done is I've compiled a grouping of crazy apps that actually exist, and we're going to play a game, Brett.
I love games.
I'm going to list out the name of an app, and you're going to have to tell me if it's real or if it's made up. If it's
I'm so good at this because I've got so many apps.
If it actually exists or not. Now, I got my little cheat sheet
Just
here.
smart. I'm almost as smart as a phone.
There is a prize.
Smarter than Siri. I asked Siri to call me Mac Daddy and she didn't.